Welcome to a special On the Radar. Today we will cover GlobalInsight.ai, a brief overview of what makes it different. Simply start with a single search. No lengthy prompt engineering, no need for multiple questions or additional clarifying prompts. Just type in your subject and hit enter. The system scans for emerging constraints and patterns related to that topic. It only looks at what people are saying publicly, what challenges they are discussing, and what information is available, insulating results from LLM hallucination. With enough public discourse on a subject, in this case, affordable housing, each signal is scored, tracked for movement, and tied to measurable impact, and more. Global Insight doesn't just capture a snapshot. It tracks how signals move, highlighting what's emerging, accelerating, or fading. It not only visualizes and tracks your results, but also consolidates everything into a single downloadable PDF, all from a single search. Reports age. Processes don't. Insight should evolve with reality, not lag behind it. Most tools capture a moment in time. Global Insight is designed not only to identify emerging signals, but to also track how signals change. Visit GlobalInsight.ai to review access options. Thank you for watching.